Hello and welcome. I'm Will, and today with Anna, we're exploring how artificial intelligence is transforming the way we approach social media. Anna, AI seems to be everywhere. Why is it becoming a must-have for social strategies?
Hi, Will. Glad to be here. AI's rise is fueled by its ability to process huge data streams and spot patterns humans often miss. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok change constantly, and AI helps brands keep pace by adapting their strategies on the fly.
That makes sense. To set the stage, we're diving into smarter posting, from scheduling to content generation. Let's start with timing, which can make or break a post visibility.
Absolutely, and the timing question is where many creators first realize the power of AI. It's not just about picking a random hour anymore. AI analyzes when your audience is actually online and engaged.
Let's talk specifics. Tools like Buffer AI and Lately.ai claim to find optimal posting windows. How do they determine the best times to post?
They aggregate engagement data over weeks or even months, looking at when your followers interact most. For example, Buffer AI might notice your audience spikes at 7 p.m. on Thursdays, adjusting schedules accordingly.
So it's not a one-size-fits-all. AI customizes timing for each account?
Exactly. If you're a food blogger, your peak might be lunchtime. A gaming channel might do better late at night. AI personalizes recommendations, learning from your unique audience patterns.
That's a big leap from the old post at 9 a.m. advice. Let's look at what happens after timing. What about crafting the actual message? Hashtags and captions are more strategic than ever. Anna, how does AI assist with choosing the right ones?
Modern AI models scan current trends, analyzing millions of posts to suggest hashtags that are gaining traction. Caption generators use natural language processing to craft lines that boost engagement, matching tone to your brand.
Is there a risk of everyone using the same suggestions, making things bland?
Good question. Sophisticated tools factor in your niche and recent posts, so suggestions stay fresh. Plus, they can avoid hashtags that are oversaturated, aiming for that sweet spot between popular and unique.
That balance seems crucial. Now, moving from hashtags to actual content ideas, how does AI help creators stay inspired? Coming up with new content is a constant challenge. What's AI's role in brainstorming and idea generation?
AI tools analyze your past posts, everything from likes and shares to comments. If videos perform best, it'll recommend more video formats. Some platforms even suggest entirely new themes based on trending topics in your sector.
Does that mean AI can spot patterns we might overlook, like a certain color scheme driving engagement?
Exactly. For example, an AI might notice posts with blue backgrounds get higher interaction, or that questions and captions spark more comments. It's like having a data scientist on your creative team.
That's a powerful edge. Now, let's consider how these AI insights can adapt to platform changes. Social platforms update their algorithms constantly. How does AI keep up so your strategy doesn't fall behind?
AI systems are programmed to continuously monitor engagement shifts. If Instagram boosts Reels, AI notices your Reel views climbing and suggests more short-form videos. This adaptability is crucial for staying relevant.
So, rather than reacting months later, creators can pivot almost instantly?
Exactly. Real-time analytics mean you can test new formats quickly, see what works, and shift focus without losing momentum.
Speaking of formats, let's dive into how AI helps diversify the types of content you share. Content formats evolve: carousels, stories, live streams. How does AI help creators pick the right mix?
AI platforms compare engagement across different formats. If your audience responds to polls in stories but skips single-image posts, the system recommends doubling down on interactive content.
Can AI suggest entirely new formats based on what's trending outside your niche?
Absolutely. It might flag that day-in-the-life vlogs are trending in another industry, prompting you to experiment. AI bridges gaps, helping creators borrow successful ideas from unexpected places.
That cross-pollination is fascinating. Let's turn to the risks and ethical questions that come with AI-driven strategies. AI isn't immune to bias. Are there concerns about AI reinforcing stereotypes or excluding certain voices?
Definitely. If an AI is trained mostly on Western data, it might overlook culturally relevant trends elsewhere. Some tools are adding diverse training sets, but creators should still review suggestions critically.
Are there ways for brands to audit or customize AI recommendations for inclusivity?
Many platforms now let users input their own guidelines or flag problematic suggestions. Transparency is improving, but human oversight remains essential for ethical, authentic content.
That's reassuring. Now, let's examine the measurable impact of AI on social media performance. Do AI-driven strategies actually move the needle on engagement or follower growth? Any numbers to share?
A 2023 Social Bakers report found brands using AI scheduling saw a 30% increase in engagement within 3 months. Caption optimization boosted comment rates by up to 60%. The data is compelling.
That's dramatic. Are there diminishing returns if everyone uses AI, or does it keep evolving?
There's always a risk of saturation, but AI models are evolving to adapting to new trends and personalizing at deeper levels. The key is to blend AI insights with your unique brand voice.
Speaking of blending, let's talk about combining human creativity with AI automation. How can creators ensure AI enhances rather than replaces their authentic voice?
Think of AI as your creative partner. It handles tedious tasks, freeing you to focus on storytelling and relationship building. For example, AI can suggest 10 caption drafts, but you choose the one that feels most you.
So the best results come from collaboration, not blind automation?
Exactly. The magic happens when you use AI's data-driven suggestions as a springboard for genuine, human-centered content. That's what keeps audiences engaged and loyal.
Great insights. For our final segment, let's look at where AI in social media is headed. Looking ahead, what emerging AI trends could further revolutionize social media strategy?
Expect more real-time personalization. AI will tailor not just timing or hashtags, but entire content streams for micro-audiences. Imagine AI suggesting stories personalized for each follower segment.
Could we see fully automated campaigns, or will the human touch always matter?
Automation will expand, but human creativity and empathy are irreplaceable. The most successful creators will use AI to amplify their unique perspective, not substitute it.
That's a perfect note to end on. Coming up next, how AI personalizes marketing like never before. Thanks for joining us, Anna.
Thanks, Will. Excited to see where AI takes us all next.